Thank you for joining us for a preview of the Collins Dictionary on Windows Phone. Today we will demonstrate the Collins Dictionary for English, French, and Spanish. On the main panorama, you have a selection of number of menu choices, the word of the day, a list of your favorites that you have added into various favorites folders, a history which keeps track of all the recent searches completed, and a number of tools to help you adjust and control the application. Let's first start by searching. There's a simple search available. You may type a word like hello, and you will be presented with the translations of that word. You'll notice the translation in this case is supported in French and Spanish, and that is by configuration settings of the application. You may press the play button next to French or Spanish, and you will be presented with native audio for each of the languages. For each word or phrase in the dictionary, you may select the share function and share such word or phrase via Facebook, Twitter, email, or SMS. Also, you may add any word to favorite folders and create new favorites. So for example, we already have created a number of favorite folders. Let's add this particular word to the folder Paris. Let's go back. And now you may also see how to find words through the Browse Dictionary function. Let's give that a try. Again, let's start with English. And let's say you're looking for the word travel. And as you start typing that word, there it is. And again, it's presented in both of the languages, in this case French and Spanish. And you may move forward within the word set and look at all the other words found under the letter T. Let's go back. So you have seen how to browse dictionary by letters. Let's take a look at how to find common and useful phrases. Phrases are categorized in a number of categories such as business, getting around, health and beauty, and so on. Let's take a look at eating and drinking. And let's look at ordering and eating. And let's order a bottle of red wine. You're presented with, again, French and Spanish. Let's take a look at listen to the audio. And once again, you have the same functions of social and adding to favorites. So now you have seen three ways of finding a word or a phrase: through a common search, browsing a dictionary by letter, or browsing common phrases. Let's take a look at a very unique feature of the Collins Dictionary on Windows Phone, and that's a flashcard learning feature. Remember, we have put some words and phrases into a folder called Paris under favorites. Let's take a look at that now. With the flashcards, you now see that folder presented as a set of learning flashcards. With the settings available, you can determine which language you want to appear on the front of the flashcard. So let's, in this case, choose English, save it, and here we go. English is presented on the front of the flashcard. If you click the flashcard, you'll see the translations. If you swipe, you will see the next flashcard in the set. And in fact, there's the word we put in, hello. If you click, there's the available translation and audio. All right, so these are great and unique features of the Collins Dictionary. Let us show you one more feature that is unique to Windows Phone. Pinning is something that is unique and widely used throughout the application. So for example, here you have the word of the day. You'll notice a little pin. Let's go ahead and click pin, and the word of the day is now pinned to your start screen. And let's start the dictionary again. And let's go to, let's for example go to phrases. Let's find a phrase, and we're going to look at a phrase. Let's go back for 1 second. Oh, here we go. And let's pin that to start as well. You can see the phrase is pinned. Let's also pin a favorites folder. So we're going to jump to favorites. Let's go to favorites. All right. Let's try that again. We'll go to favorites. And let's pin the entire favorites menu. Here we go. The entire favorites menu is now pinned. How about pinning a flashcard? Well, if you go to flashcards, you may pin the entire flashcard set, or let's try to go to a specific flashcard set like Paris and pin that. And there we go. There's the pin flashcard set. So you can see the many features of the dictionary, from a simple search to browsing by letter to finding categories and phrases to allowing you to pin everything from a word to a category to favorites or flashcards. We thank you for your time and hope you enjoyed the application.